Hey y'all, so I'm fixing to make a really quick and easy keto recipe. It's garlic butter shrimp. It's got like 1.4 grams of carbs per serving, makes about 4 servings. I'm starting off with a stick of butter. Just gonna set this on the stove and let it melt. I've got my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now I usually get raw shrimp, but I couldn't find any. So I'm just going to take the tails off of these because these have tails on and rinse them, and we'll be back in just a minute. All right, let me pat dry my shrimp a little and see there's one I missed the tail on. Those tails just pinch right off if you got some with the tail on. It says 1.5 pounds of shrimp, and I think this is 2 pounds. You just want a single layer. These shrimp are already cooked, so basically we're just heating them up. If you got raw shrimp, they need to be a light pink like these already are. Also, if I forgot, the oven's preheating at 400 degrees. Okay, so I added about a teaspoon of minced garlic, and then I added about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder because I didn't have enough garlic. And this is just a stick of butter melted. And you just want to pour this butter mixture over it. Rinse your lemon and slice it. And you're just going to place the slices across this pan of shrimp. Next, I'm going to sprinkle it with some salt and pepper. And the recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm going to sprinkle it with some Parmesan. This is going to be Parmesan garlic butter shrimp. Lemon garlic butter shrimp. Parmesan lemon garlic butter shrimp. Okay, so we're going to stick it in the oven. The cookbook says for 10 minutes. I'm not sure if we're going to need to cook these for 10 minutes. Well, they need to be heated thoroughly, so we're going to try 5 minutes to start with, though, because these are already cooked. All right, y'all. That's how it looks after it's done. Now, see, you got all this juice with the butter and garlic, and you can just spoon that on top when you dip it out. I don't think this cooked quite 10 minutes, but this is already done. The shrimp's already done. We just needed it warm. This is it says it makes 4 servings. Do you want a piece of lemon in yours to squeeze on it? Or are you okay with what's down here?
Whatever.
Don't that look good? So it is lemon, garlic butter, pan shrimp. Sheet pan shrimp, but...
Sheet?
Sheet.
Sheet.
But we're going to call it Parmesan lemon garlic butter sheet pan shrimp.
Very good.
Because I added Parmesan to it.
Definitely drool worthy and 2 thumbs up.
Well, thank you, honey. There you have it, Parmesan lemon garlic butter shrimp. Super quick and easy to make, low in carbs and calories. I had the leftovers over a salad the next day. It was really good. It would also be good over some zucchini noodles. This is another recipe from the Southern Keto Cookbook. I will leave a link in the video description if you want to check the cookbook out. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a very blessed week.